Hey guys, this is Pri from Voltech, and today I'm here to give you a review about the new app released by Google, which is known as Inbox. So this was an app released by Google which was available to users only on invite basis. So if you get an invite from Google, then you are eligible to use this app. So one of our members have got this invite, and we are really excited to review it and give you a good news at the end of this video. So as you can see, it's based completely on Material Design, which is the design that they have adopted from Android Lollipop, in Android Lollipop. Except for that, you can see that they have made bundles over here, like promos, updates, social, etc. So suppose if you get a mail of promotion from any site, then it itself goes into the promos bundle. Or if you get a message from Facebook or Twitter or Google Plus or LinkedIn or Quora, it itself checks out the mail, and according to its keys it puts it in the right bundle, that is social. So you can access all the bundles available over here, like travel, purchases, finance, social, updates, forums, promos, and you can also make or delete bundles according to your need. From here, create new. Except for that, the thing that you can move the complete bundle to the trash at once, so you don't have to select each and every mail one by one. So suppose I don't need any of the promos, so I'll just select here, just select on this, and then go to the three dots at the top, and then select move selected to trash, and through this all the mails that are there in the promos bundle will go to the trash at once. So this is really cool. Also they have added new features like snooze. So suppose if I swipe this to the left, it goes to snooze. So it asks me for how much time do I want to snooze that particular mail, and I can set that, and it will get removed from my inbox and come back at that time. Also if I swipe it towards right, it goes to the folder done. So what this done folder does is it removes a particular mail from your inbox and stores it in a different folder known as done. So you can access that from here, done, and all the mails that I have selected as done, I will find all those mails over right here. So this is nothing but the archived feature that was released by Google in the Gmail. As you can also see, it's written, anything you mark done is safely stored here. Emails you have previously archived are here too. So that's about it. It's really cool, really nice, really light to use this inbox app, and trust me, I've been using it for 2 days and I've completely forgotten about Gmail, and I have been using this inbox thoroughly. And also you can, if you have got this invite, you can also access inbox on PC through inbox.google.com instead of mail.google.com. So it's really nice, really cool, good blend of colors, and I really like this new app that is released by Google. So now let's come to the good news. Okay, so the good news is that we have got 3 shareable invites just for you, that is our viewers. So all you have to do to be eligible for this invite is you got to like this video, comment on this video, share this video, like our Facebook page, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you do all these things, you will become eligible for getting an invite. You have time till 7th of November 12 am midnight IST. All the people who successfully enter into the contest will be eligible to get an invite, and we will be taking out 3 people randomly from all those eligible candidates, and all of them will get the invites by 8th of November. So what are you waiting for? Start liking, sharing, subscribing, and good luck.